Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a custom background image to your Gmail account using your PC. This is a great way to personalize your inbox and make it more visually appealing. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure to log in if you're not already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see a tab called Themes. Click on that to open the Themes section. Now here you can find variety of themes. But since we want to add a custom background, scroll down and click on My Photos. A new window will pop up showing your Google Photos. Here you can either choose an image you've already uploaded or upload a new one. To upload a new image, click on Upload a Photo. A file dialog will appear. Navigate to the location on your computer where your desired background image is stored. Select it and click Open. Once the image is uploaded, click on it to select it. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Your Gmail should now display your custom background image. And there you have it. Your Gmail inbox now has a custom background. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.